Hey guys, welcome back. So here you have the screenshot for the signal I shared yesterday on the premium group. A short position we've been waiting for quite a long time. For all these days it was just going sideways and creating a continuation pattern, and so it was safe to wait for a break because it would usually break in the same direction that it comes from, since it's a continuation pattern, but there's always the chance it's gonna break, you know, in the opposite direction, in the upside. So you don't want to be opening shorts or longs here at all. So we've been waiting very patiently. I've been saying to not trade. These parts are very difficult. But yesterday we had a clear break from the previous low here. Of course, I sent this picture in real time when it was here, time to enter, because it was like a now or never. Right after sending this picture in Telegram, I made a full video explaining how to handle this trade if people wanted to enter. Many people entered this trade in my group, and the explanation I gave on the video was take some profit at around 6,600, which is this line here. Me personally, I would have taken half of my position out, so I would have taken profit here. we got so far, let me see exactly, $40 away from the target. So I mean, it's close enough. I'm sure many, well, actually I know, I talked to the people on the group and some people it's been taking profit already in this. The reason for this target here was because I switched to the weekly. I did a full analysis on Bitcoin yesterday. I looked at the 4 hours, 1 day and 1 week on the video. And for the weekly, we had the 50-week moving average just going through this level. So it was very, very probable if the price got that low, the 50-week moving average, it was going to be very strong resistance, because, support in this case, because moving averages are very strong support and resistance in any time frame, but the bigger the time frame, the stronger it is. So even, because I know my guys and girls there in the premium, they usually look at smaller time frames. But if you are looking at the smaller time frames, you still have to have in consideration the level of the moving averages in bigger time frames. And this is expected to be a very strong support, the 50-week moving average. Maybe we close the week right there at the moving average and then start bouncing again. That's why it's worth taking some profit, out of the table, because it was a very quick trade. I didn't expect this to go down this quick. I was expecting like maybe a couple of days to get to this level, but it happened overnight, literally like in a few hours. So that was a very big and quick profit here. So yeah, I would have been taking profits near this moving average already. And then the absolute target down, the maximum target down, where I would be closing the position like entirely for sure, is at 6,000, where we could be forming a double bottom here and expecting a bigger bounce here. A bigger bounce doesn't mean reversal at all, but I would expect a bounce, so I would for sure be closing my entire position when we are getting closer to 6,000, to this low from the previous dip here. Guys, I wanted to show you something. I created yesterday a Telegram channel, which is free for anyone to join. If you go to the website, you have this logo here. If you click this from your phone, it'll take you straight to your Telegram app, and you can subscribe to this channel. And if not, you can just search on Telegram for Dope Forever Free. You have the address here, and anyone can join. I created this yesterday. Let's see. This is Dope Forever Free. So we are 51 subscribers so far. So basically, I created a bot that it's going to be sending out notifications on this channel every time I upload a new video on the website. Videos that are free and open for anyone to watch, but they are not going to YouTube. So for example, yesterday I made these 2 videos, one for Cardano and one for Tron. And if you want to be notified, just subscribe to this channel. Basically, I'm creating my own YouTube here, my own private YouTube. I don't want to be dependent on YouTube to send out notifications. I prefer to have my own bot sending notifications to my people, you know. So if you're interested, just subscribe to this channel and you'll be notified of videos that don't go on YouTube. I think it's no secret that Google and YouTube and all the social media are fighting against cryptocurrencies a little bit. So I don't want to, you know, I don't want to be dependent on them to have people watch my content, because who knows what's going to happen in the future. And I don't want to be talking to myself, you know, making videos for no one. Other than that, the last thing I wanted to talk about Bitcoin, I was talking about this on my video yesterday for members. Actually, at the end of the video, I was doing a little bit of comparison with the previous bubble in 2013. So I'm going to explain this for this video as well. So I have the two bubbles here showing in the same screen, this one here and this one here. And you can see we have this downtrend resistance here, right? And we have the same one here. Now, this looks very much like this one. It's happening very fast, very vertical. And this one is happening very slow, very horizontal. That's only a visual effect. We are going down at the same speed. If I show only this one in the screen, it looks vertical as well. Now, if I make it flat, it will look less vertical. But if we take the measurement tool here and we go from the top to where the level where this line was broken here, when we got out of this downtrend resistance, this was right here. So this is exactly 24 bars, which means 24 weeks going down before breaking out of this. And well, this was not the bottom, because it was only a breakout and then we continued lower. But my point for this video is how long it took until we exited this downtrend channel, you know, this downtrend. So it took 24 bars. Now let's see the bubble today from the top here. If I extend it to 24 bars, this is going to be here. Okay? We are not yet there. You can see until we get to 24 bars, we still have to travel all this distance in the timeline. So you can see how this is not happening faster, even though it looks more vertical when you show both bubbles in the same screen. But it's really, we're going down in the same speed. So let's say we exit this downtrend resistance at the same time with the last bubble. Of course, it's not going to happen exactly the same, but just to have an idea. So the price of Bitcoin could perfectly be down here at 4,000. I would say 5,000, but you know, between 5 and 4, really, if we don't exit this line, we continue to respect this line for 24 weeks, like in the bubble before, Bitcoin can perfectly be between 5 and 4,000 before exiting this downtrend resistance. Now, I think it's very likely that the next time it tries to break, it will break. First of all, we are super extended down. Look at the RSI. It's just been down here for way too long. So things don't go in the same direction forever. It needs to, you know, to break at some point, and it's already very extended. So, and also, usually in technical analysis, when lines are tested 1 time, 2 times, the 3rd time is usually when they break. That's proven statistically. They usually break at the 3rd try. So 3rd time they're tested, they usually break. So I would expect next time this is tested, it'll break and we will have an impulsive movement up. It doesn't mean it's going to be a recovery. It doesn't mean it has to be a reversal and then from there go into a bull market. It could happen, but we don't know yet. We will have to take the analysis day by day. But what I would anticipate with high probability is that next time this line is tested, it'll break and it'll break impulsively. So probably I would be looking for long entries, but not to buy and hold, just to buy and trade, because I would expect a very impulsive movement once we can finally break this resistance. But yeah, as I say, we might be weeks away from there yet. So I'll be watching for that, but I don't anticipate it's going to happen, you know, very, very soon. We could still be stuck here for weeks or even one more month, or I don't know, but I'll be watching for this. So yeah, guys, that's all that I wanted to talk for the video of today. And yeah, I will see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.